do a quick test drive here. 4,225 miles on the odometer. We are in manual mode. Put it back in drive. If you see any flickering here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. This car does have full front clip PPF minus the headlights. Non-smoker, still smells brand new in here. Absolutely gorgeous car. Alignment's perfect, steering's nice and straight. Getting on it there just so you can hear the car and see those shifts. Super cool car. Love the sound of these. Scanning through the roof there. Looks good. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this car does have PPF on it. Full fender, full hood, full front bumper, including all the little gloss black trim. No film on the headlights though. And then you have film on the side mirror here. Nothing on the A-pillar, nothing from the doors back. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looks really good, beautiful caliper color. It's not race red, it kind of matches this almost. Looking at that fender, looks good. Side mirror, nice and clean. That all looks good. Making our way down the door. Upper section looks nice. Lower side looks good. Couple of tiny little rock impacts on the side. It's very subtle. The edge right here feels good. Now there are a couple gashes right there on that gloss black trim piece. Lower side, that looks good. Got the graphic kit here. Looks awesome. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Love these wheels. Like I said, full front clip PPF, nothing on the headlights. So they did the film over that graphic, so it is completely protected. Upper side looks good. Graphic is nice and clean. You do have a little snag in the film here, little impact. It's hard to tell if it went through the paint or not. Looking right here, you got another snag in the film from a rock. Trying to get as close as I can. Said it's impossible to tell if it impacted the paint. It does not look like it. And you're gonna have a couple more here. These are kind of ripped, it looks like. Which the film's doing a great job sitting there protecting it. Get around here. Looks good. Just kind of scanning through that front end. I'm gonna get underneath here. Edge of that looks good. like a little bit of rash right there. Looks like a lot of it's probably in the film, but it probably impacted the paint a little. Good thing is it is there to protect the paint, and it can always be redone to make it perfect, but that looks good. Fender looks amazing. Wheels perfect. That looks nice. A-pillar's clean. This paint is just insane looking in this bay. Even outside, this is one of the best paints I've seen in a long time. Edge looks good. Nice and clean. Beautiful wheel. No curb rash. Just slowly scanning through all of this. I'm not seeing any imperfections yet. Looks good. Nothing's really standing out to me. Good quick overview on the car. Beautiful though. And this will be included with the car, all laminated. Alright, checking out the interior. Absolutely gorgeous. New car smell. Got the black seats with the red accents, the carbon. Got the carbon on the wheel. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Here on that door panel, the upper section looks perfect. All of that trim is clean. I don't see any flaws on that door panel. It looks really, really good. Looks amazing. Got the all-weather mats. Bolster's perfect. Got a tiny little mark right there. The rest of that looks good. Upper section nice and clean. Checking out the steering wheel. That looks amazing. Upper side of the dash, from what I can tell here, all of that is perfect. Front lift, all the goodies, of course. Really not much to pick apart in here. This looks and smells brand new. Here on that upper section, looks amazing. Memory seating. These buttons are nice and clean. All of the leather surrounding it looks perfect. Here on that trim, it looks good. All weather mats. I don't see any flaws on the seat here. We've got the carbon. Gorgeous interior. Looking at the carpet, a couple little lines in it. Otherwise, looks and smells new back here.